Winterland, tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your...
Hi, this is Anita here. Today I am going to show you how to make kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented beverage. It actually has probiotics that enhances your digestive process. It has antioxidants that boost your immune system. It contains a lot of enzymes and B vitamins that will boost your energy. It may help with weight loss as well as detox. It can ease joint pains, and it can also help prevent arthritis. There are so many benefits to kombucha and more. So to start, you will need a SCOBY. A SCOBY stands for Symbiotic Culture of Bacteria and Yeast. They come in various sizes. They basically adjust to the container that they live in. You can get a SCOBY from any health shop. To start off, it's 2 tea bags, a quarter cup sugar, and a SCOBY. So you'll make your tea, and once your tea has cooled down, you will remove the tea bags, add your SCOBY. Now you need to close it with a cloth to prevent any unwelcome guests from going in there. And then you basically let it stand for about 7 days when it will do its fermentation progress. And during that time you'll notice that it will form another layer because a SCOBY keeps growing all the time, and you're welcome to separate the layers when you eventually strain that and maybe make 2 batches, or you can give the SCOBYs away and spread the wellness. After 7 days, you will make a fresh batch of tea. Remove the tea bags, and you'll just repeat the whole process. Now your first fermented beverage, what you can do is you can strain it and pour it into your container. Once you start drinking kombucha, you can start with a half a cup just to get used to the taste, and then increase to about 1 or 2 cups a day. You can experiment, pour it in a container and add flavors. Some people enjoy strawberry kombucha. Personally, I experimented with some pineapple geranium kombucha, as well as pumpkin spice was quite delicious. There you go. Enjoy your delicious fermented beverage. Thank you for watching.